Hi sir, this is my self-introduction videos. Letter A. What is my full name? My full name is Charles Iron Arandia Cedron. Letter B. What are my course, year, and section? My course is Bachelor Science Marine in Transportation, and I am a first year college, and my section is 1A17. C. Why did I choose to take a maritime course? Kaya ako nagplano maging marinero kasi yun ang aking gusto at yun din ang aking pangarap. How can I show respect to others in this class? Give 3 example. Number 1 is active listening. Number 2, participate carefully. Number 3, follow classroom rules. Letter C. In 5 years, sa loob ng 5 taon, ako ay isa ng ganap na lisensyadong seaman. Next question. What legacy would I choose to be remembered? Ang gusto kong iwang pamana dito sa mundong ito is ang pagbabahagi ng kaalaman at aking talento. Pagbabahagi ng kaalaman about sa pagbabarko at pagbahagi ng aking talento. So, yun ang aking gustong iwang pamana dito sa mundong ito. So again, this is my self-introduction videos. Bye, sir.